Hi and welcome to another episode of Ask VSA where we answer all of your questions regarding singing. My name is Peter Vox and I am the Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy here in Melbourne, Australia, which was established in 1993. If we could help you or someone that you know with this singing, we would be absolutely honoured. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne. We also give online singing lessons worldwide 7 days a week. And if face-to-face singing lessons aren't your thing, we also offer the ultimate online singing course. Please check out the links below for more info. If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe. We also have memberships as well too. You can check all that out. That'd be absolutely fantastic. Without any further ado, let's get stuck into the next question. Why isn't my singing voice improving? I am going to give you the top 4 reasons and points why your voice is not or may not be improving. Let's start with number 1, drum roll. You're not practicing daily. Practice makes perfect. It's very, very important. We also have another saying at Vox Singing Academy, perfect practice makes perfect performance. So you've got to practice, and it doesn't matter what you're doing in life, whatever you put into it, you're going to get out of it. And most things are going to take a lot of hard work and dedication if you want to be great or very good at them. And that's the same as singing. You have to practice. Your voice is a muscle, and you just got to put in the hard work. But also, as I've already said, perfect practice makes perfect performance. So to make your life a lot easier and to get the results a lot quicker, getting some professional singing lessons are going to greatly help you out and fast track your abilities and goals, vocal goals, so that you can hit them quicker. If you're getting great singing lessons, you should be seeing and hearing a difference in your voice within 3 weeks. We guarantee that at Vox Singing Academy. But practice is very, very important. You're not going to get better at any skill if you're practicing it once or twice a week. So we recommend at Vox Singing Academy to practice a minimum. Our hobby singers, they practice a minimum 5 days a week. And my pro singers generally 6 to 7 days a week. And the length of time, and again, it depends on whether you're a hobby singer or a pro singer. With our scales, it's generally from 10 minutes to 45 minutes worth of scales. And then singing after that, it's anything from 15 minutes to an hour and a half. And it depends, the workouts depend on whether you're a hobby singer or a pro singer, and where you are in your career and how the stamina of your voice is. But practice is super important why your voice wouldn't be improving. Number 2 is wrong technique. You're singing in a bad technique. So if your voice isn't improving, your technique is most probably incorrect or wrong. And again, to rectify this, you want to possibly get some professional singing lessons. With some great professional singing lessons, they should be able to hear you sing and assess your voice and address the weaker points in your voice very quickly and give you some skills and scales to improve those points so that you can be the best singer that you can as quickly as you possibly can. But technique is very, very important. For those of you who are basically not having singing lessons and you're going off your own steam, I can give you a big tip here by looking in the mirror. So that will show you and what you're doing, and also possibly what you're doing and not doing right when you're singing. So a couple of points is get up nice and straight when you're singing. Keep your upper torso straight. Make sure you're breathing through your diaphragm when you're singing. Breathing up here is not correct. So you want to breathe through your diaphragm when you're singing. Watch your mouth so that it is articulating when you're singing. If your mouth is not working, it's not going to sound great when you're singing. And make sure that you're just generally trying to sing in the best part of your voice where you sound the best. So technique, very, very important. But there are numerous aspects of technique that we can go over. I've just gone over a couple of techniques there. Pitching is another one as well too. That's the number 1 cardinal rule. You've got to be singing in the right key, in the right pitch all the time. So technique is number 2. Number 3, why your voice isn't improving. You're singing songs that are out of your vocal range. They're either too high or too low, or they're out of your skill level. You want to have self-awareness. So if you're a beginner singer, never had singing lessons, let's do some beginner easy songs. Let's not go and do some really hard songs, Celine Dion or whatever it might be, where you're going to hurt your voice and then you're going to dent your confidence and you're going to go, geez, I really can't sing here. I'm a bad singer. I should never sing again. No, everyone can sing. If you can speak, you can sing because we're using the same vocal cords. They're connected together. They're the same. Your speaking vocal cords are the same as your singing vocal cords. But choose songs that are one in your vocal ability and the songs are in a good key for your voice. So don't strain when going up high, or it might be too low and getting too muddy. If you're a female, a lot of females sometimes sing male songs and they're too low for them. So pick songs that are in the best key for you, that are in your sweet spot of your voice where you sound the best. And that's going to definitely help your confidence and improve your singing. Because doing a song that's too high or too low is not going to improve your voice. You'll struggle getting it and you'll keep on working on those points and not get anywhere. And on that point, you may also need to go and get some professional advice from a professional singing teacher. Number 4, you're practicing in the wrong environment. Now, what I mean environment is when you're practicing your scales or your singing, you want to be practicing in a room that is semi-dead. What I mean by dead is it hasn't got a lot of reverb. This room here, there's not a lot of reverb. You can't hear a lot of echo. So it's a pretty dead room. I've got, on the sides here, I've got soundproof foam on the doors and the windows here, so people can't hear what we're doing in the studio. So singing in the wrong environment is not going to help you out. So you want to be singing in a semi-dead room, like a living room or a bedroom, preferably with carpet or a rug on the floor, no tiled floors. We don't want to be singing in your bathroom or your kitchen or your car where you're getting a lot of reverberation from shiny surfaces, particularly a bathroom. Everyone sounds good in the shower. What do they say? I'm a shower singer. Why do you sound good in the shower? Because there's glass everywhere and it reverberates off there and you sound good. Most people sound good in their car as well too because it's reverberating off the glass and you sound really good. Sometimes you can sound good in a hall as well too with polished floorboards or a hallway or a kitchen where there's a lot of reverb. You'll sound better in those areas there. If you're practicing in those areas, you're cheating yourself. You're making it easier for yourself because one, you don't have to sing as loud. Two, you're going to get reverb. So there's this false sense of sounding better. So you're cheating yourself. So you want to sing in a semi-dead room so that you're going to be pushing your voice. That's why when you go into a recording booth and a recording studio, they generally have foam on the sides of their, I'll just show you the door here. As you can see, there's the door there and the window. It's got foam on there. And that is so that it makes it a little bit harder and deader for the singer to sing, so that we're singing right on top of the notes. So your environment is very, very important. Singing outside as well too is very is difficult. It might actually make you sound worse than what you are. And that's why auditoriums, amphitheaters, and opera houses were built, is so that they would actually have a little bit of reverberation, so it would help the singer sing up into the amphitheater or the auditorium. So having a little bit of reverb is good, but we don't want too much, but we don't want the room to be completely dead. We don't want to be singing in a closet or somewhere where it's really dead, where there might be curtains all the way around. It's not going to make you sound as good. So again, that's going to give you a false sense of sounding actually worse. So I hope that makes sense. So again, I'm going to reiterate the top 4 points why your voice may not be improving. Number 1, you're not practicing enough. You should be practicing daily. Number 2, you're practicing with a wrong technique. Technique's very important. Number 3, you're picking songs that are not in your skill level or they're in the wrong key for your voice. Number 4, you're practicing in the wrong environment. I hope that this clip has helped you out. I'm sure that it has. If you have any questions or comments, or you think I've missed something, please put it in the comments below. Even if you just want to say hello, that would be fantastic. We get lots of people from all around the world watching our reaction videos, so it's a great community we're building up here. Drop by, say hello. If If you like this channel, give it a like, thumbs up, click like and subscribe. Maybe have a look at the memberships as well too. If we could help you or someone that you know with the singing, we would be absolutely honored. Check out the links below for more info. We give online singing lessons worldwide. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne with male and female teachers. And if face-to-face lessons aren't your thing, we also offer the ultimate online singing courses. Please check out the links below for more info. We'd love to help anyone that we can out improve their singing. Most importantly, live with passion. Live each day as if it's your last. Love your singing. Until the next video, peace and much, much love. Bye-bye.